Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you our progress in the farmhouse. It's not a whole lot different, but I'm going to turn you around and let you see kind of where we're at and let you know what's going on and moving walls and all that good stuff. I'll share all of that with you. All right, so walking in, we've already done a walkthrough of the house. This is the living room. It has a bunch of junk in here right now. It's going to be kind of small. This is not our forever home. This is just going to be like a rental property or basically something like that that we can use to make extra income. So let's back up. I've got ahead of myself already. So as you walk into the house, here's the front door. You immediately come to the left. This will be my son's room. We're going to try to keep these hardwood floors. I think my husband said they're pine, maybe. I can't remember. This is his closet. We're keeping all of that framing. We still have like stuff up here that needs to be cleaned out and things like that. We've already started taking the windows out. We're actually doing a construction loan to try and get this finished faster. So once you come out of his room, we're going to open this door back up for some more airflow. This wall that we built, because see, this wasn't here, that wall. It was there. Once we pulled up, because this room had carpet in it, so we pulled that up and we saw a spot in the middle and we were like, what in the world is that? And my sister-in-law happened to see it and she was like, y'all think there was a wall there before? And we're like, oh, duh, that makes sense. But they had put a fireplace here, which we have already taken out. And so I guess they took this wall out and put a fireplace here and made this entire length of this just one big living room, which would be great. But we wanted this to be 4 bedrooms, so we put the wall back up, or are attempting to put the wall back up, and this is going to be my daughter's room. So looking back like this was from that big window all the way across here, all the way into here was the living room, but now this is my daughter's room. It's kind of small, but like I said, this is not our forever home, and we're going to be moving into here from a camper. So I think that it's going to feel like a mansion to us. So here's her closet. Maybe a little hard to see, but I'll show you the bottom part. It's already framed out. We're leaving that exactly where it's at. I'm thinking her bed will go here, probably a loft bed, and then her TV will go on this wall somewhere. So then directly across from her room will be Anaya's room. There's a bunch of dirt daubers in here. No, Mr. Dirt Dauber. Ah! Oh, sorry. So anyway, this will be Anaya's room, but the door will not be directly across. It will actually be moved down a couple of feet next to what you'll see when I go in there is her closet. So her door will probably be somewhere in here. Let's step back and see if I can show you better. So her door is there right now, and we will probably either move it probably like right here or about right there. I haven't really decided. So yeah, that we're just gonna have to think about that. But the reason that we're moving this door frame is because this is next to it is mine and my husband's room, and we're trying to make that into like a master suite. So we're going to take part of her room because it is the biggest room in here. And that was, at first we were going to leave this room like it was and just have our girls share. And then we decided not to do that, to put this room back over here for our youngest daughter. So she gets the smallest room, which is fine. And then we're going to take a little bit of space out of here, probably a couple of feet, making Anaya's room about a 10 by 10.5. I think it's going to make it. So this wall that's right here will come towards me. And that will be where my husband and I's bathroom is going to be at, and our closet. So you will come into our room. So I've walked down the hall and you will come into our room. I'm not going in there because there's nails everywhere because we had to pull this hardwood floor up. I'm so sad that we're not going to be able to keep that floor, but I'm excited to be able to keep the floors in here because we thought we weren't going to be able to keep them at first. So I'm just glad we're getting to keep some of them. So that wall there is going to be pushed back, and will in turn be our bathroom and our closet. And then this here, pretty much from that corner and that window to this window, and then another wall will be put up. So you will walk into our room and then turn to the left, and our bathroom and closet will be in that area. And it will be a very small closet, but we do not, we're pretty minimal. Even before we moved into the camper, we were trying to be minimalist, and we do not have that many clothes, so it should be perfectly fine. We all 5 share a closet in the camper. So anyway, down the hall, you'll come to your right. This will turn into our hall bathroom, where the kids will share a bathroom, plus it will be a guest bathroom. So there will be a wall splitting this room straight down the middle of it, kind of where that piece of wood is. We've got it there for kind of a reference. So this whole area will be our kids' bathroom. And then coming down the hall, the old bathroom used to be here, but that's going to be mine and my husband's bedroom now. So this will be closed up. After that is our dining area, I guess you could say. Nothing is really changing in here. We might get a bigger window because I like for a lot of light to come in. And there's the flooring that we pulled up from that bathroom and bedroom. So if at all possible, we will keep that and probably do some different projects with it, but we will not be laying it back down. We'll probably just get some more floors to try to match these floors as best we can, but we're not even close to that yet. This whole back wall has to come down and be rebuilt because that back bedroom, like, it's the length of the house. It goes from here all the way across. They've done it way wrong, so it has to come off. And to save money, we're just not even going to build it back. We're just going to build a deck out there, and then this door right here will be like sliding doors. And then if you come to the right, this is where our kitchen will be. We'll have cabinets wrapped all the way around, sink in the middle. Cabinets will stop there. And then this area here will be our, like, where our breakfast, I'm not a breakfast bar, I'm sorry, our, like, a little coffee, smoothie, tea bar, and our refrigerator. And the reason the cabinets are stopping there, remember I told you in this room, from the other side of the hallway, that is going to be the bathroom. So there will be a wall here, and this is going to be our pantry slash laundry room, slash mud room. So we're going to try to fit all of that into there. And the reason we're doing that is because there's an outside door here that goes to another small deck that we will be rebuilding. And we'll probably be parking like here. So we're getting all of this cleaned up. So yeah, and from here we can see our goat barn, as we call it, our chicken coop, and there's a buzzard over there, and I do not know why, because our chickens are put up right now, so I don't know what he's doing over there. We actually call him Rufus. He lives in the block building over there, and then you can see our barn from here as well. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So that's what we're doing right now. We don't have a whole lot going on right this second because, like I said, we're waiting to close or get that, hopefully get that construction loan to get everything done a little bit faster. We thought we would just do it a little at a time, but it's taking a pretty good while. So yeah, that's kind of the update on the house. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and if you think that this is something that you would be interested in following, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you have any questions or you just want to chat. That helps my channel out so much. I still thank y'all for over 1,000 subscribers. I know that's not a lot to a bunch of people, but it means the world to me. I'm going to try my best to start uploading more frequently and more on a schedule. It's so hard to get everything like in a routine here that I have just put YouTube to the side because we've just got so much going on. But besides that, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. I hope you decide to subscribe and stick around, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.